Hello everyone, welcome to ZILTX. My name is Paul and I'm here to help you get started. In this video, I'd like to talk about public pages, their significance and also their importance. If you're already logged into your ZILTX account, navigate to the chevron near your icon. Hit Dashboard. This will bring you to the ZILTX Speedboard. Once you click on Public Page, you'll be redirected to your personal company public page. But let's talk a little bit more about how important this company profile page is. You see, setting up a public profile page on ZILTX is a crucial step. It allows you to maximize your presence and opportunities on the platform. Your public profile serves as the face of your business, offering numerous benefits that can significantly impact the success. First and foremost, your public profile is a powerful tool for public branding. It allows you to present a professional image, showcasing your business strengths, values, and unique offerings to potential customers and clients. Another key advantage is that your profile becomes searchable on Google. This increased visibility can attract more traffic to your page, bringing in potential customers and collaborators who are actively searching for the services you provide. The information you provide on this page is paramount because it's also used and stress tested against the RFQs that purchasers place on the platform. So when a purchaser submits an RFQ, the criteria on your profile are used to match you with relevant opportunities. A well-detailed profile ensures you don't miss out on any bids that are perfectly suited for your expertise. Your public profile is also a platform to showcase your work. Highlighting competitive projects, case studies, and client testimonials can demonstrate your capabilities and build trust in your ecosystem. Finally, keeping your profile updated with the latest news and events helps maintain engagement with your followers. Regular updates ensure your audience stays informed about your business activities, achievements, and any upcoming events. For all intents and purposes, the public profile page acts as a secondary website to your main business. If you enjoyed this how-to video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, visit us at ZILTX.com, or participate in our community at community.ziltx.com.